how you can trim your beard from this to this. Well, you wanted to change, you came to the right spot. What's up everyone, my name is Scott Barnes, and in this video, we're gonna go over how to quickly change the look of your beard into something new. Now the nice thing with the beard, and everyone neglects, is that you can actually change the design of your beard in one simple step and in one easy way. And one of them that I love is the goatee. So my beard is getting a little long. I've got the goatee lined up pretty well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our clippers and we're gonna take a few seconds and we're just gonna go ahead and go on an outline through the lip and the chin all the way into the jawline. So pick your favorite setting, we're gonna turn it on, and use your finger right here where the lip and the chin meet, and we're just gonna go up, and then we'll go ahead and follow. Same on the other side. Finger, guide, go. And to get everything lined up that you would like, use your lip as a guide, take your clippers, we're gonna ride our lip, and that way we have a straight line. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some beard balm. This is their Outback from Volt. We're gonna rub it in. We're gonna go ahead and blend it into the chin, and I like to bring it down into the mustache. And we're not using mustache wax just quite yet, maybe in a couple weeks, but for right now, we'll give our beard and our mustache a little bit of thickness. We're good to go. So this is a quick video, but it's a nice, easy way to switch up your beard style, your look, and also the way you feel about your beard and your goatee. In actuality, the goatee is probably one of my favorites. It's easy to do, it's really quick. I mean, it took us maybe 30 seconds, a minute tops. So make sure to check out my next video. We're gonna go back into the 80s. We're gonna make the mustache nice and prominent. We're gonna shave everything up. So make sure to stay tuned. See you on the next one.